Okay, so I was at Meyer grocery store and I found this cute little Sonic the Hedgehog shirt. My 6-year-old daughter loves Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm like, okay, it's a cute little shirt, but it looks a little boyish. So let me just add a couple rhinestones to give it a little more girlier, a little more feminine vibe. You know what I'm saying? So I took some blue rhinestones that I had and I was like, okay, let me just add these rhinestones, but the letters were a little on the thicker side. I didn't want to do too much, and that blue was a little dark, so I ended up adding some iridescent rhinestones as well. So I'm just going to do like 2 rows of rhinestones in each letter. They actually look really good. I'm glad I did add the iridescent. And this shirt was like $9.99. It was on sale for about $7.99. So I thought that was a really good deal. And my daughter previously had Sonic shirts, but they were like blue, and I didn't add anything to them. So this one being very bright red, I thought it would be really cute just to add a little pop of bling, you know? So had I had more time, I could have blinged out the whole Sonic and the words hedgehog because I do happen to have some red rhinestones, but we're just going to do a little razzle dazzle. Okay, so Radiance, are you excited about your shirt?
Yeah,
Okay. What's your favorite color?
blue.
Good. So that's why I wanted to highlight the blue in the shirt. She loves blue. That's her favorite color. What do you think about red?
I like it too.
Okay. What's your favorite part about the shirt?
The Sonic.
Good. Okay. So we want to allow this to dry at least 24 hours and it should be good to go. And if you're wondering what glue I used, I did use E6000 glue. The little tool that I'm using, that's called a wax pickup tool. You can easily find those on Amazon. You just type in wax rhinestone picker tool or something of that nature. If you like other videos like this, of things being customized, you can most definitely check out my YouTube channel. I have longer videos, and it's called Life is a Whole Vibe. Okay, so I'm almost finished. As you can see, it's late. I want this to dry so she can wear it tomorrow to school. But I was like, you know what? I have some gold rhinestones. There's some gold Sonic rings. Let me add some little gold plated rhinestones to these Sonic rings to just give it a more completed look. It turned out super cute. My daughter loves it. You like it, Radiance?
Yes.
Okay, so she likes it. You heard her. So she's going to wear this to school. And it turned out real cute or whatever. Bye.